For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. 18 long years of togetherness have finally been erased off with the Bandra court granting the divorce of estranged couple Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan. After a whirlwind romance, the two had tied the knot and were one of the most happening couples of B-Town. Proud parents of a son Arhan, the two never gave an inkling about when cracks developed in their relationship. But it seems that for the past 3 years, the relation had hit rocky shows and eventually the two had filed for divorce and even broken the news to the world. This shocked industry insiders and fans alike, but still there was some hope for reconciliation. But this final grant has shattered everything. While the two continue to remain cordial, Malaika is still a welcome part of the Khan clan and she was also spotted celebrating Ahil's birthday in Maldives. Meanwhile, Malaika has gained custody of her son while Arbaz will have access to meeting him whenever he wishes. While we bring more updates on this hot story, do drop in your comments about how you felt seeing this very loving couple part ways. A majestic palace, a scene straight out of a fairy tale book, and the amazingly hot-looking Salman and Katrina. How much more better could it get? Here we see Salman looking super hot dressed in a formal shirt and bow, and Katrina too playfully poses behind in rare abundant, her Barbie-like gown giving her an ethereal look. Truly, the two make an amazing pair. No wonder, even filmmaker Alia Bal Zafar could not resist sharing this behind-the-scenes pictures from the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai. Ali added a caption which stated, "A very serious Katrina and a super focused at being Salman Khan on the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai, #behind-the-scenes Friday feelings." It is really amazing to know that despite a grueling and pressing schedule, it's not all work and no play for the team of Tiger Zinda Hai. Anyway, coming to this picture, don't forget to leave your comments in the section below and keep watching this space for more entertainment news. Quite often, we have shared fan-made posters of Salman Khan's films, and while some of them are amateur attempts at art, others will definitely make us sit up and stare in awe. But the bottom line remains that Salman's fans do make an attempt to please their bhaijan like no one else. Here we have yet another version of fan art depicting a scene straight out of the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai. The poster shows Salman and Katrina caught in an intense gaze, and wow! The emotions are clearly evident out there. This aptly proves that fans still root for the Salman-Katrina pair and hope to see more of their chemistry. Well, we hope that the bhai is listening. Meanwhile, take a look at this poster and share your feedback about it in the comment section. What? Did Justin Bieber leave India already? Yes, apparently it's true. While all Bieber fans were drooling over the singing sensation visiting their country and getting himself flicked at the Taj Mahal and atop a camel in Jaipur, it seems that the singer has ditched all the plans and left India in a huff. But why? What made the pop star miffed? Well, nothing really. In fact, Bieber was quite impressed with the Indian hospitality, and what he could not tolerate was the sultry heat of Mumbai. Summers in India are a dreaded season, and Bieber was spotted constantly mopping his brow. And now it seems that having completed his concert, the Canadian star could take it no more, and he was spotted at the airport completely shirtless, giving us hints at his stay. Well, while we are disappointed by his sudden exit, do post your thoughts on Bieber not extending his stay in India. So here is the biggie from our new mom in Tinseltown, mom to the cute Taimur Bebo. Kareena Kapoor, who everyone loves to admire, would be back in Golmaal again, the upcoming sequel to the Golmaal series. So for all those who thought that it is not just about being a mom in a gorgeous manner, but also about getting back to work, Kareena is an example. However, Kareena surely would look lovely in a cameo in a movie that the public loves to watch over and over again. For Rohit Shetty's Golmaal is a laugh-a-thon that keeps your bones laughing always. Come and enjoy this cameo from Beppo, who surely is a diva of sorts. She has gotten back to shape and is already ready with her Veeredi wedding. Added to it, how would you like to see her in a big screen again in Golmaal again? Do let us know. Having hit an all-time low in her career with box office Yankees like Baar Baar Dekho and Fitur, Katrina seems to be treading on quicksand. With Jagga Jasoos delayed on more than one count, the British beauty has nothing to fall back upon until her upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. But now it seems that the lady is keen to be a part of Salman Khan and Karan Arjun's next production venture starring Khiladi Akshay Kumar. It is obvious that the lady has successfully wooed both Salman and Karan, and her role is more or less confirmed. In the meanwhile, Katrina has bagged a meaty role in Aamir Khan's Thugs of Hindustan, and if this collaboration with Akshay Kumar works out, then Katrina's career will definitely be on an all-time high. Don't you think so? Drop in your comments in the section below and keep watching this space for more updates. Salman Khan and his team of Tubelight surely know how to keep fans on the edge. Just yesterday, the Dabangg Khan posted a 22-second teaser where he held a placard asking fans to guess the name of his first song. Just when fans began racking their grey cells, Salman Khan in his inimitable style proclaimed, "Kal bataunga," leaving fans desperate once more. Indeed, a suitable reminder to wait for the first song launch. Truly, when Salman does this, the style itself is worth it. Based on the happenings around the Indo-Chinese War, Tube Light is slated for a Eid release. Well, coming back to the song, are you excited to see how the music of Tube Light fares? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. The Being Human jewelry brand has another ace up its sleeve, as yet another beauty comes on board to promote the new addition to the Being Human jewelry collection. This time on, it is the Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai girl Hina Khan, popular by her on-screen character Akshara Singhania. Unlike her docile Bahu Avatar, Hina looks stunning in a short green midi and knee-length boots. The diva proudly flaunted her Being Human earrings, and my, they looked awesome and super cool. Having launched the Being Human pendant and bracelet, this new addition is definitely a must-have for every girl. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, Ranbir we know is a Casanova of sorts and is also Deepika's present beau. He also is very pally with Katrina Kaif and also follows Katrina on Instagram. Well, Deepika and Katrina, who are the girls in Ranbir Kapoor's life, never could get along with each other. We have seen in the past ex-lovers both did patch up. Shahid and Saif, Salman and Abhishek are typical examples of people patching up and being cordial to each other. Ranveer Singh is a fun-loving guy and is also Deepika's beau and expresses his love towards her openly. Well, for starters, the two divas could begin by saying a hi to each other instead of consciously avoiding each other. Ranveer is sure to be someone who would fill sense into them, and if it is someone as beautiful as Katrina, then it would work well, maybe, who knows. What do you feel about Ranveer Singh patching up the two heroines of Bollywood? Do let us know. Earlier, we had revealed how Salman Khan had recommended his bodyguard Shera's name to head the security for Justin Bieber's maiden concert in India. Well, when Bieber agreed, we got to know the mutual admiration shared by the two. And now it seems that the singing sensation is following the footsteps of the Dabangg Khan. Today, as Bieber will be holding his first show in Mumbai, the star, instead of rehearsing or relaxing, decided to spend some time with the underprivileged kids of Mumbai. Their smiles spoke volumes about the delight they felt at being with Bieber. So what do you feel about this benevolent act? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
भाई कैमरा अरे भाई
Dabangg Khan Salman is one busy bee, and my, this year he has his plate full with 2 films releasing. And now it's double dhamal once more as the Sultan gears up to host not 1 but 2 reality shows. Wow, that's quite some news. Sources have revealed that while Salman was speculating giving Bigg Boss 11 a miss, it now seems that he is ready to juggle between Das Ka Dum and Bigg Boss 11 while managing his film commitments and other endorsements. While this is a double delight for all Salman fans, we wonder how the Sultan will find time. Call it superpowers, will, or the love of his fans. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. TV celebs have been thronging his house to see the twins, and especially his Nagin co-star Moni Roy simply can't seem to resist coming back to play with the kids. Moni looked natural and completely at ease as she handled the kids. The babies too seemed quite content and cozy as they played and cuddled with Moni. The three made a perfect picture, all bundled in white, and Moni has a $1 million smile on her face. The lady also took to Instagram, where she posted some amazing pictures of her day with the kids. And my, the little munchkins look oh so sweet. Do take a look for yourself and post your comments in the section below.